Now we're recording. What's your name?
My name's Anne.
Oh, okay. And do you have anything to say for yourself?
Not really. I'm saving my energy.
Okay. Well, it didn't really focus there. Okay, yeah, go on.
We're gonna have a lot of interviews. We're gonna print out some pictures now.
We are. Here we go. Okay, I'm holding onto a fantastic camera. Hopefully you'll see some shots of it now. Doesn't it look wonderful? Look at it. So I have this new camera. It's wonderful. It's because I've finished recording the whole course. I'll tell you more about that later on. And I'm actually all the way to China. I came all the way here. Just look at Anne. Look, pretty face. Look at her face. Hello, Anne.
Hello.
Hello, Anne. So she doesn't want to be in this picture very much, so we'll keep her out of it. Still pretty.
Hi guys.
Hi guys. So we bought this drone, and we bought the camera. We bought loads of important and very, very cool stuff.
We're gonna take all the bad boys.
All the bad boys, yeah. So the point now is that we're going to use all of this, and we're not going to record any course videos anymore. Now we're in China, and for the next while, we'll be just recording loads of cool stuff that hopefully will give you some other value than just Chinese language.
Yes.
Did I miss anything?
No, I think you covered everything.
Thank you.
Good job, Felix.
Oh, thank you. Good job, Anne. We'll see you somewhere. Cool.
This is crazy. I haven't heard about it. I've read articles about it, but when you're here, it's like